Durdashan Meghalaya beripedang subhai pi barok syiketup kubur mentagajan miet syaban paj kubur kibebenia ini pechwai kini kimat berkongsan. Sedang ke Dorbar jong ke KHASI Autonomous District Council haga sengi ke beningkong da ke jingya pertasla mi jendat ke seng liang persya. Penpau jing sngau kiau mintirang ba ukon rat ki sangma halo ke jing beta ke Amerika halo ke lek kawan ke bakedau ba ke Meghalaya kan long ke bom shingai on Ukraine ukon rat lembat unong ratin ke US sya India ban penbet temai ya ke ni ke jing penbena. Ai kesoka Meghalaya live kundai point kat nyo klur tingka syakikan hun ye lek kai ban pen krek na ke benta ke National Games ahajar arpunyo. Bat pensengek no kesoka Jelai ke Yam Shalong 4-lane project na kedau ke jingduna pisah. Ki kubur ki bebenyak. Ki MDC jong kaliang persya ki lami jendat na kedau bar liur ha ki HADC hadian ba ke executive committee beralam da ke VPP kala kentaj benyekren ya ki jing ka bedai ba ki jinglut jing sep ki ba khamtam lani ka supplementary expenditure ha shua banwanra e kamang tingka bekongsan. Wada pedeng ke jing persya no unong alam ka liang persya uba Tito Starwell Khan bat ke MDC rangba ke Congress Mary Kharpuri Henry Chairman ke council uba strong pillar Karjana ula ailat yo executive member uba Saibor Lang Warba banwanra e kamang tingka jong usnem ahajar arpusan ahajar arpunriu. Ukhan lo kento e ketei ke jingle chairman kum ke bomyaha bat karukom treikam. Da ke bakedau sya ke jing duna ha kamang tingka. Berkentup ya ke jing kedau sya ke jing penlut ke ba khamtam ke balong baro iwei point prabupra kelur tingka na ke benta usnem ahajar apusau ahajar apusan ha ke grants number iwei GAD bat ke number nriu ke legislative wing. Ula kento bakini ki jinglot jing sep la dep ban bu ha ka jing ya tap vote bala dep ban menjur menshua bar ula keno ba ka isi kam shim lala ban trei kam baha. Ula banjur ba ki jing dawa ke ba tam ki dei ban long kat kum ka jing menjur jong ka mang tingka ke bala dep pen kre ki balong kat kum ki kendon. Menteri rang ba ke Meghalaya konrat sangmah ni ke sengi ula penpau ke jing sngau khia halo ke jing penbena badangshen da ke ba penpau ba unsi kendu ya unong ra tien ka US bat lingba ke tenat ke kambari ke MEA bat ke tenat kampo yeng MHA bat un pentip syaki ba ke jing penbena bala penmi ke long ke babak lalut ula ong ba on sa persang ban kentu ya ke US embassy ban penkela ya ke tei ke jing penbena usang ma ula penpau ke jing kermen bada ke jing batai ke bebiang bat ke jing kershan ke bayat prelang na ke MEA la ban penbet ya ke ni ke jing bat ban penbet ya ke ni ke jing penbena ha ke bayadai bat ke jing tokit ke badang ya chakmat halo kam penyap ya uraja Raghuvanshi Menteri ke jela ula ong ba ke sarkar ke sngohun ba jing shisha ke lala benpau pertai.
Coming into to the point of the US case, it's a matter of concern. I have already shared that I will be going and meeting the US ambassador and through the MEA and even through the MHA and informing them that this kind of notification has come out, which is absolutely incorrect, and will request the US embassy to change the notification. I hope that they will be satisfied with our explanation and with the interference and with the support and necessary coordination with the MEA. We should be able to rectify that the wrong notification has come.
Menteri rang ba ke jela konrat sangmah ni ke sengi ula IT palat lai pukandai point khatnyo klur tingka syaki apron riu tuli ki kenhun ye lekai ha Meghalaya kum shi benta ban penkre e ke National Games ahajar apunyo kini ke jingbei tingka ke long ban ai jing kershan ye ki kenhun knang bakin yo ye ki tiar badon kam ban penbahai ki jaka ai jing hikai bat ban penbahai ya ke jinglong balakre ha kini ke lumpung ye lekai. Menteri rang ba ke jela ula penpau ya ke jing kela ha ki buit trekam daga ba pensyai ya ke jing donkam bantai ya ke jing shania ringkat bagi senjuk elek kai ha katain kini ke kom bai pisa la khmi lenti bakan ai ya man ka wei pakawei ke senjuk ya ke jing la ban penbiang ya ke jing donkam jongka bakan yarap ya ke nong elek kai ban pen kre bah
that close to about 1900 crores of projects today are being implemented in sports infrastructure as we speak. And that's something that has never, ever happened in the history of our state. In fact, if you look at the artificial turfs for football that are coming up, we'll be having close to 50 artificial turfs throughout the state. That is the largest number any state has in the country. Even in terms of track and field stadiums that are going to come up, we should be one of the highest, if not in the country, at least in the eastern region. Meghalaya will have one of the largest number of track and field synthetic tracks and the facilities in the entire eastern region. So a lot is happening today when it comes to infrastructure, and we do expect that much more will happen. And as Minister always keeps mentioning, that these are real investments that we are making in the future of our youth.
Ki pulit ke Meghalaya ki lapha ya barok ki sabut balathang ki biadai baka kampanya brio ke Central Forensic Laboratory ke bedon ha indoor banle ya ke bedon kam pentip UIS KHASI Superintendent of Police uba Vivek Iem uba Iem uloong baki laingut ki bala syakem ha ke biadai baka tiga kam lalap baki don keti nama baki la persang ban pendu ya ki saki sabut ki bakongsan bat yaki lawan ra syashilong ha ka transit reman ban pelong ya ke jing tokit ke babanya Abu Jubab ikijing dawa nak long yeng jung Raja Raghuvanshi balanget baki dei ki balangat ha ka apot nak benta ban pelong ya ka narco analysis test ya ki nong sya keno uba SE mulo ong bakum kene ka jing test kam long ka badon kam.
Destruction of evidence is an offence. Right from the beginning I said we've got adequate evidence, but see, it makes it very complete. The thing which was in Wesaudong and which had travelled to that flat, it connects the accused to the crime. So this is also a good evidence out there where it connects. So a person who destroys that evidence is actually also implicated out here.
Ka Sorkar Jela kalapan sange shua ban penteri kami ke projek 4 lane na Umyam Shashalong na kadaw ke jing duna pisa. Usembut minterang ba ubak Preston Tingsong ulaong ba ha jaka jong katei on penbahai ke surok ke baladon lupa sya ke surok ke bahek shipau mitar. Ula ai jing tip ru halor ke jing penbahai ke lenti yach Assam ke jing penteri ke surok na Shalong Dauki ke babuk thong ban pendap haus nem ahajar arpun riau bak ban kmi benya ya ke jing slam ban penteri ya ke Western Bypass namar ke jing kam jaka bampat la ban ya penben.
But ultimately, the preliminary report that they received from the ground is that it is not feasible, not possible to go for the elevated road because the cost is too much. Again, we have little challenges with this problem of land. Land means the problem is about, sometimes some people, they claim that the land belongs to me, I didn't get the payment, this, that. A lot of things happening like that.
Kadba ka Sorkar MDA kala jandap asnem shiteng ka samoi traikam jongka ki jinge kren ka bedai ba ka jinge bujli menteri kala nangjur. Usembut menterang ba ka jela uba Preston Tingsong ula kentaj ban kren hero kane bad ong ba ka syong ha ka bor jong umenterang ba ka jela. Katkum ki khubor ka penpau balala bandon ka jingmi no jong umenteri ketnat puli puti rakam e sangma bad umenteri ketnat sports uba Shaiklar Wajri. Ha ka jok kopor unong elam jong ka BJP uba sanbor Shulai udon ka jing kermen ban yakhun ye ka syuki menteri. Kala don ru ka khubor hamsaya bayu James sangma on penyakhun na ka benta ka syuki Syaraja Sabha tanglada u MP uba WR Khaluki unchong thaj no.
No comment at all. I have no idea about it because see, let me tell you one thing. As far as reshuffling of ministers is concerned, it is totally the prerogative of the Honorable Chief Minister. So I have nothing to say with that. So it is up to the Honorable Chief Minister to take a call on this.
Usembut mentirang ba uba Preston Tingsong ula kentu ke Voice of the People Party baka day banjurip ya kadaw bat bakan bisha benya ya kejing pentreikam jong Sorkar Hashwa bakan kento persya. Kene ka jing kren ka long hadien baka BPP kala kento ya ka jing treikam jong Sorkar MDA bat dawa ya ka jing mi jing penbena ki belong syabar ka rukom treikam. ubak tingsong ulakam bakila don shibun ki jingkela ki ba pau shai hakil yang berper-per nak jing bei tingka jong ke sorkar.
So I would request this political party, let them, you know, I think they are also responsible to find out. Don't say that only the report from the government side. They can go to the ground, find out whether, okay, whatever investment claim invested by the government, whether the outcome is there or not, whether it is a positive or negative. I think it is their duty to do that. Let them go, don't just sit in the office and don't just criticize blindly like that.
KHASI Local Taxi Welfare Association ka persya ke jing temu jong ka ka ban bu ke tiar but dien habaro ke local taxi habaro ke wei ke jela Meghalaya. Aga screening kong ke dekhot ke le kendu yo motor vehicle inspector uba El Nongrum ban pen pau ke jing persya jongki u organizing secretary uba Ashan Kremujat ula ong baya ki taxi la ban itu lupa da karong kaba rong yong bat karong stem jongki bat ki high security registration plate ke bala don lupa ya ke rukom but dien ulak hot ya ke tei ke jing terwa kaba om don kam bat ula penyedai ya ka bat ke jingja penyak beri ke badang shen hasok ra ka be dei bikinong jungok kai perthei bat ula bu jing kili balei bakinong shong shnong ki dei ban kit ya ke jing kit kli jongki kam jongki runar jongki weipat ki breu ki banabar ke jela
Kam semua ya, nyata ke tracking device. Nomor apa? Security jungi menukang lokal taksi lade lupa karong yong rong stem. Pi kalau kaban nukang kade habede begitu kias kebaca seorang. Kata ngikran ya kacing sisa. Jika tu kias kebaca seorang, ke balik kita ki beriu ke bana sabar bet. Kemdai kumbai pi ki media ki pras pilih ba pilatip sai ki beriu benabar ki balik ni ke baro. Telang ba kacing le cung tak ki beriu benabar. Nyan pat yang ini bahasa ni hatu kam semudai am hap am.
Ka Indian Council of Agricultural Research, Agricultural Technology Application Research Institute lani ICAR atari umyam kala rakhi ya kesngi senga bakhandai jongka kani ka jingilang kala penpau ya ka jing persang jongka daki snem halo ka jing tre shitom ka jongka ban kentiu ka rukom rep kat kum ka juk start bamenta bat ban penyar ya ka Shaka Than Chetei Lamingi. Ka Menteri Ketnat ka rep karyang ka layro ya ka benta bakongsan jongki Krishi Vigyan Kendra ha ka bakentiu ya ka rep karyang ka bane da ka bapendon kam ya ki buj start jong ka juk menta bat ki rukom tre kam ki bedai bat ki nong rep. Ha ka ni ka jingelang layo iru ya ka jing sa me ki khusna me ki kerdan baper.
This Foundation Day not only serves as a celebration of the ICAR Atari's journey and achievements, but also provides an opportunity to engage with its key stakeholders, visionary partners, and mentors who have contributed to its mission of improving agricultural productivity and sustainability through advanced technological interventions.
Ringkat keri berok kuwei ke SOS Children's Village Mhenden ke sengi ke larakie ya ke jingdap merupos nem jongka SOS dia. Lak ban kedau baya ka sos shalong la seng house nem ka kendai spa kendai. Ka jing temu bekongsan jongka SOS Children's Village ke long ban penbiang ya ka jing yengsa ka ba biang da ka jing iet na ka benta ki kena ki bom yo ya ka jing kershan bat ka jing kit khia ka biang na ki kimi ki pa uba daman bat lamare la long kum ukongsan ha ni ka sngi lembat ki wei ki basha khot sngoba kum shibenta jongka ne ka jing rakhe ka SOS shalong ka la samru ya ki khusnam shakitu ki bla la ban le ba ha ka jing puli jongki. Ka District Administration haringkat ke jingga Trelang bat ke Animal Husbandry and AMP Veterinary Department bat ke Tura Municipal Board kila pelong ya ke program pensengautu syapang ke Responsible Pet Ownership and Stray Dog Management. Lani ke jingkit kli banri ya ki merat bat ke jingpet jing sumar ya ki ksau surok. Ya ke ni ke program lapia ha ki lai teli ki benta ke wei ke benta ke pelit jingmut ha ke benta ke bekongsan jong ka jinglong trai ya ki merat badon ya ke jingkit kli bat ke jingpet jing sumar ya kiksau surok kajing donkam jong kajing ai tika kajing penduk khun kajing sumar ki merat bakiri bantek lakam ya kajing pang rabis kajing sumar pai ba kajing pe jing sumar ba kajing penya halo kajing ma jong ikso surok ka Dr. Amanda SW Moment haba keren ba kila patai khubor kala ong ba kajing temu jong katai ke program kalong ban pen sngo ye ka khubor ka bokong san chiki pai ba ban kamdon kajing kit clear.
And the objective of this program is to convey the message even to the community level to be more responsible in owning pets so as to combat the societal challenges of stray dog menace and severe increase in rabies cases all over India as a country and Meghalaya as a part of it.
Mentang ini pej ke jinglong jiman ke sumeneng hatura. Ka jing kriat kalong apusau degree Celsius, ka jing shit kalong lipaway degree Celsius, ka jing sngam ka hau kalong nyau pupra na kshispa. Aba pai pat shnong ba shlong ka jing kriat kalong kat pra point sun degree Celsius, ka jing shit pat kalong apusan point r degree Celsius, ka jing sngam ka hau kalong shispa na kshispa, bat ka jing half slap kalong iway point real millimeters. Kat bah jawai ka jing kriat kalong kat kandai degree Celsius, bat ka jing shit kalong apulai degree Celsius, ka jing sngam ka hau kalong prabupra na kshispa. Kala bandon ka jing half slap ka ba malumala hatura shlong bat jawai hagi babon ki jaka. Shawan poi shi bakut jong tup khubor ni pe bangsa ASEAN ni kini mat bekongsan. Sedang gedobar jong ke KHASI Hills Autonomous District Council hakasi ke beningkong da ka jing pertasla mi jendat ke seng liang persya. Penpau jeng sngau kiau menteri rang ba ukon rat ki sangma halo ka jeng betak ke Amerika halo ke lek kawan ka bekedau ba ke Meghalaya ke long ke bom sngai onye keren ukon rat lembat unong rak tien ke US sya India man penbet thmaya ke ni ke jeng penbena. Ai ka soka Meghalaya live kundai point khat nyau klot tingka shi ken hun ni lek kai ban pen kre na ke benta ke National Games ahajar apunyo. Bat pensangit no ke soka jela ya ke yam shilong 4-lane project na kedau ke jing dana pisah. Teporlok katung ila poi shibakut jong tup kebor ngin se syam yang pilasai kesi haga juk kepo kubeshi buni pibaro.
Meghalaya Chief Minister Conrad Sangma announced a